This set is customer top rated. Congratulations. I was reading reviews online. The value, I use these every single day. It's become a family tradition, and that's what Temp-tations becomes in the home. But not only is it customer top rated, 15,000 have been sold. So you know there's a lot of opinions when you sell 15,000 of anything.
Yes.
It could go either way, right? Well,
absolutely.
It went top rated. And it's 20% off. So the savings are here, but also knowing that you have a clearance price also means it's not coming back. We're retiring this style. H214683. The easy payment plan, because it's easy pay days, is $4.08. Yesterday, broccoli and cheddar cheese and a grilled cheese sandwich. The day before, tomato soup, grilled cheese sandwich. Like, I can't get enough of the soup and sandwich combo right now.
I'm all about the soups.
This is going to be a good one for you if you love that.
And I love it. And it's our stoneware. So much like our dinnerware sets that you've seen, these pieces go right in the oven up to 500 degrees. I love this to put in the microwave when I want to go ahead and reheat something. You have that flower shape. You have that braided detail that runs around the edges if you're picking up Old World. If you're picking up floral lace, it's going to have the bead. And then you have that nice oversized latte mug. I love the silhouette of this. A little shorter, but a little wider.
Because the only thing better than coffee is more coffee.
Exactly. And then 18 ounces for your mug. And then, as you mentioned earlier, always the hand-painted detail on the inside, on the rim as well. And you're going to get both. You have the colors down in front.
Yeah, you're getting 2 of the sandwich plates and 2 mugs. And yeah, we'll pop on down and show you some colors here.
All right.
I love the figurals that we have going on here as well.
Yeah, so again, we are down to, it looks like just about a handful of colors in our pattern. So bear with me while I walk you through that. We have winter. So winter actually has an ornament-shaped plate. So if you're thinking about picking these up and tucking them away, look how beautiful that frozen icy blue is. And I love the pop of the handle as well.
Yeah, that's a great idea to stock up, put away, and bring it out next year on a clearance price, not coming back.
Yep, we have 5 colors in floral lace. So we started with your winter. We have your chocolate. So I know we've lost chocolate in a couple of other sets.
Yeah.
So I love that we have that available here.
But we only have 4 dozen remaining there.
Okay, so there's a theme there with our chocolate.
Yeah, it's popular.
Here, of course, is our eggplant. So that's going to be that beautiful purple, our red, and then our green. So that's going to be what we have available in floral lace. And then next door to floral lace, we actually have Old World. I love the pop of red there. Truly beautiful. We have your red, and then down in front we have your brown. We have your eggplant peeking through. There's the confetti, that's what I collect. And just a reminder, we also have that beautiful blue. So again, if you have that European style kitchen, that's available also. At one point, I think we probably had close to 20 colors.
Yeah.
So we are down to, I don't know, about like 10.
Yeah, a lot, not a lot. And on a clearance price.
Not a lot.
Not a lot. I'm really bad at math. I can't even count. $42 is the comparable retail value. The fact that you're getting it under $25 on easy pay today of $4.08 is fabulous. I was reading those reviews at the bottom of the screen. Maybe you were following along, but reiterating that family tradition. One lady saying that I got these and I love to do tea and biscuits or coffee in the morning with my girls.
I love
and that's
that.
become a family tradition. You're saying how beautiful they are, the quality, the durability. That's why we love our Temp-tations. Ooh, what soup do we have here? Is
butternut
this,
squash.
only my favorite.
Oh, do we have a spoon? I only have a fork.
Okay.
I don't think that'll work for you.
Oh, well, I can
And this
sip it.
spoon's too big.
Well,
But well, maybe not.
Maybe
yeah,
not.
Go for it. Is it too hot? No? Good?
Nope, it's so good.
That is a team player right there. I love you. Thank you. So here we have our butternut squash soup, but then we also did some of our beautiful sandwiches. So whether it's a Reuben or like you were saying, you were doing grilled cheese, all the different sandwiches and soups you're going to want to pair together. Look how great, and you're not getting out all of your dinnerware, right? It's just a simple plate and cup that you can use as a bowl, you can use it as a mug, you can use it as a plate, and it goes everywhere you need it to in the kitchen.
15,000 sold, top rated, 20% off, 6 easy payments of $4.08. It's not coming back. H214683. We're moving on, my friend.
Want some coffee?
Oh,
we're moving on? Okay.
Yeah,
I'm taking my gloves and moving on.
But you know what?
Sorry.
I'm just like getting so caught up in all the fun. I think I'm quickly running out of time, and there's a whole lot more that you still want to see, especially since you've requested this next set.
Oh, I love this set.
With you in mind, Tara has created the Lit It set. It's